Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best dog food for English Bulldogs that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Blue Buffalo Wilderness High Protein Rocky Mountain Recipe Dry Food. English Bulldog puppies also need high-quality kibble. The Rocky Mountain Wilderness recipe is a red, meat-based, premium puppy kibble with high protein developed to support healthy muscles and growth. DHA and ARA support eye health and cognitive development. Kibble contains no chicken or poultry byproducts, no byproduct meals, and no corn, soy, or wheat gluten. Artificial flavor, and preservative-free. Blue Buffalo's tasty kibble contains red meat flavor, antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. It contains Blue Buffalo Life Source bits, which provide a blend of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It was developed to fill those ancestral cravings, support growth, and is easy to digest. Moving on. At number 4, we have the Stella and Chewy's Super Blends Raw Puppy. Stella and Chewy's makes raw-coated, crunchy kibble with a blend of superfoods. It is created with healthy, wholesome grains, superfoods, probiotics, and bone broth. Minimally processed, small-batch cooking, and oven-baked. Whole prey elements include muscle and organ meats. 82% of the protein in the recipe comes from animal sources. The freeze-dried kibble uses whole prey foods and has no artificial flavor or preservatives. Supports healthy weight, digestive health, skin and coat health, and joint support. Easy to digest and full of natural meaty flavor. For bulldogs who handle chicken well, Stella and Chewy's is a delectable and nutritious pick. At number 3, we have the Instinct Raw Boost Whole Grain Real Lamb and Oatmeal Recipe. Raw-coated, nutrient-rich kibble includes bits of freeze-dried raw meat. These provide organic flavors, a meaty taste, and plenty of high-quality protein. The Raw Boost recipe includes whole, healthy grains and uses grass-fed lamb as the first ingredient. There are no artificial colors, flavors, or preservatives. Raw Boost contains no corn, wheat, potato, soy, pea, lentil, or meat byproducts. It is highly digestible and easy on the sensitive stomach. Whole grains like oatmeal are included to promote healthy digestion. Meat pieces are 100% freeze-dried raw. Recipes are packed with protein, omega fatty acids, antioxidants, and beneficial nutrients. At number 2, we have the Merrick Premium Grain-Free Dry Adult Dog Food. Kibble is grain-free, enriched with glucosamine and chondroitin, fortified with vitamins, and uses high-quality natural ingredients. The Texas beef and sweet potato recipe is tasty, poultry-free, and uses no soy, corn, wheat, or gluten. Deboned beef and sweet potato recipe, fresh protein from animal sources. The recipe is formulated to support joint, skin, coat, and brain health. Kibbles are cooked in small batches to keep the quality high, developed for easy digestion and to support healthy hips and joints. Texas beef stew also comes in a canned formula, so your pup can have the best of both worlds. And finally, at number 1, we have the Nulo Freestyle All-Breed Senior Dry Dog Food. Nulo makes a limited ingredient formula free of troublesome chicken products. The senior recipe includes trout and sweet potatoes. No chicken or egg proteins. Includes glucosamine and chondroitin for hip and joint health. It also has L-carnitine to support metabolism, probiotics for digestion, and calcium and phosphorus to support bone health. Fresh ingredients, no fillers, no gluten. Kibble formula offers high protein and is easy to digest. Components are selected carefully and include many low glycemic carbohydrates. Recipes are crafted by veterinarians and pet nutritionists, focusing only on giving pets what they need. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.